Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to change font in Blender. So if you want to do it, first we need to create a new text. So let's check if you are in the object mode. It is really important if you want to add a new text. So now we click on add button, then we need to go to text, and then we need to click tab button on keyboard and type here the text that you want to use. For example, I will type here simple txt. Okay, and now we need to go to the right down corner, and here you have data settings, object data properties. We need to open this one option. Now we need to open font settings, and then on first line I click on directory icon. This option will let us to load a new font from a file. So I click here to open a font, and here you will find a list of available fonts. So for example, I select here Arial Regular, I select this one font, and then I click open font. And how you see, text font has been successfully changed now, and we can continue to modify this text. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.